work on counting money. Money is what we use to buy things at the store and other places. First, we're going to talk about the lowest coin with the lowest value. It is the penny. The penny looks like this. Do you know how much a penny is worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. So when we count pennies, we count by ones. So let's practice counting with pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I have 7 pennies, I have 7 cents. Another coin we use is called a nickel. The nickel looks like this. How much is a nickel worth? You're right. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So when we count our nickels, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We counted by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If we have 6 nickels, we have 30 cents. Another coin we have is called a dime. The dime looks like this. How much is a dime worth? You are correct if you said 10 cents. So when we count our dimes, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If we have 6 dimes, we have 60 cents. Count by 10. Another coin we use frequently is called a quarter. The quarter looks like this. Do you know how much a quarter is worth? If you said 25 cents, you are correct. So when we count by quarters, we count by 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100, or $1. When we count our money, we usually start with the coin that is worth the most amount. So, if we are starting with some coins and we have some dimes and we have some nickels and we have some pennies, we would count our dimes first. 10, 20, 30. We count by tens. Then we count by fives. 35, 40. Then we count by ones. 41, 42, 43. This equals 43 cents. Notice when I write my amount, I put a cent sign after the amount. A cent sign is like a C with a line through it. I do not use a dollar sign with a cent sign. However, I can also write it with a dollar sign. I would put my dollar sign out front. Then I would put a 0 because I have $0. Then remember our decimal separates our dollars and our cents. And then I would put my 43. You may write it using either a cent sign or a dollar sign, but we never use both signs together. Let's try counting another amount. Remember, we start with our coins that are worth the most amount first, which are our dimes. How much are our dimes worth? If you said 10 cents, you are correct. 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we go on to our nickels. Nickels are worth 5, 45, 50, 55. Then we count on with our pennies. 56, 57. If you said we have 57 cents, you are correct. How else can we write 57 cents? Remember, you can use a dollar sign, and then we have $0. Then remember, we use our decimal to separate our dollars and our cents, and we put 57. We do not combine the cent sign and the dollar sign. You use one or the other. When we count our money, we can also write the amounts underneath to help us. To help us, we can start like this. You would say 10, and then you would count up. 20, and then if we have a nickel, you would say 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. That will be 33 cents. Remember, we can write it with a cent sign or a dollar sign. $0 and 33 cents. You can get out your own money and practice counting.